Hello, this is Dr. Yam. We just learned selective by location. So this is the selective by location 2. It's not that long lecture. It's gonna be, I'm going to tell you how to dealing with your attribute table after you operated the selective by locations. Okay, so first of all, we selected the city of Cleveland, and then we tried to select all the landmarks within the Cleveland, right? So what we do, we went to the vector and the research tool, and then we did the selective allocations. So landmarks, so you already saw that are within, and then we're gonna go cities, and then select the feature only, and then we ran, right? Then we close it. So we got this. So I'm going to open the attribute table of this. So so now we just did a selective allocation. Just forget it. The previous step that I did something on the attribute table. So let's say we just did the selective allocation, and then I tried to open the attribute table like this. It will be same as yours. So we got 125 selected the landmarks in the city of Cleveland. But really, I want to type and here and here and here, say when I say Cleveland. Then what you can do, you're gonna click this, the toggle editing mode. So if you click this, then now you can do something on these tables, right? So now, if you go here, you can add a new field or you can delete new field, right? So we are going to add a new field. If I click it, you can say here, name will be city. And then the type, so what kind of the data you're gonna input? You're gonna put some number, you're gonna put some the text, something like this. So usually, if you want to say like the Cleveland, so which is text, you need to select the text. Then the length, I will say just 20, and I click OK. So now we got new field here. The heading is cities, right? So then we can type the Cleveland, 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 Cleveland here, not here. So we only selected the feature, we can type it. So how we can do? So if you go here, we can select the field calculator. So again, if you go to the attribute table, then you can start the toggle, and then you can this icon, if you put that cursor on here, you can see the open calculator. So if you click this, so you can see here the field calculator. So how you can do, so now we need to update this field. I want to type the Cleveland. So not to create a new field, we are going to update this field, right? Then I'm going to select cities here, right? Then expression, you put the cursor here and single quote, and then you type it and close single quote, right? Then you can just click OK. As you can see here, Cleveland, Cleveland, Cleveland. So if you put this here, so move selection to the top. If you click this, then you can see all 125 the landmarks. We put the information as a Cleveland, right? So then deselect. Then we're gonna do it again. We click this. Let's do where Strongsville. Then now we try to do some different way here. Strongsville, right? Then we're gonna go to and then turn on here. We do vector, research tool, selective locations, landmarks, and within, and select the feature only and run and close it. Then now here, so then I'm going to open the attribute table here. Then we can see we can put these things on the top. So all these are strong spill, right? So let me turn on the labels. So I'm gonna go to properties and the label and single labels and click OK. Right, this is the strong spill. So then now I'm going to go open the attribute table again. Still we got here, and move on the top. And then I'm going to open the attribute table, the field calculator, and update existing field. We go to city, and then same as single quote, and you will say strong spill, right? Then I'm going to click OK. Then it says a strong spill. So in this way you can actually assign all the city name, each the landmarks, right? This is how you can do that. After this you can just save edit and click the toggle again to finish that. Okay, so now you saw how I can assign the city name to each the landmark. So you can do like the several times and then assign the city names here, and maybe you can do like the state name as well, right? And county name. If you have the several counties, you can do the several counties name on here, like the city, county, something like that, right? This is how you can deal with the attribute table with the selected by location using the field calculator. For the next time, maybe next time we are going to go over about the field calculator. Okay, but this time when you do the selected by location, you can use the field calculator to assign the city name, and then you can add your field. Then if you want to put some like the numeric value on here, when you add the field, you need to set up with the decimal, right? The number, not the text value. So you need to assign the characteristic of this field. Okay. All right. So this is it for Sort by Location Lecture 2. Thank you very much.